Good morning everyone. It is sunny day, so another day, another vlog. So for this morning, I would like to share to you, to all of my viewer and subscriber, about my picos, all kind of picos here in my bonsai garden that was attacked by a insect. So I need to depolite them all, and I would like to share some video that is the leaves is already damaged, so I will show you. So this is the bonsai materials that attacked by plenty of insects here in my bonsai garden. So this material is supposed to be done, but it seems that they are attacked with the insect. Then the leaves is getting damaged. So I need to depolite this, all of this bonsai materials in my in my garden. So we'll proceed now. So we have plenty of leaves that is very ugly to look. Then I also include this one, my small bonsai materials, which is Argao Taiwan. This is just for sharing. Then I will focus this video or the camera on here, and you can see there are plenty of roots coming out already. So when the root will become bigger, it is very, I guess it's very beautiful. So there's my scissor. So time to start depuliting. So this is the leaves that is damaged. So I'm going to cut this one here. Then after that, I will depulate. But maybe if there's some leaves that is smaller, I just left. Iwanan ko na lang. So sad na it happened like this, or ganito nangyari sa mga materials ko. Pangit na siyang tingnan. Ito ang hirap sa insect. Ito ang hirap sa picos nana, kasi pag magdipulit ka, isa-isa magugupitin, hindi katulad sa microcarpa nga imura ng haruson pala ng dahon. Ang nakaganda lang dito sa picos nana isa panalagsara siya mahulugan bitog dahon kanang ang iyang dahon is dugay kay siyang malarag, matagal mamatay yung dahon nito. Maano na lang yung kuan niya, mapuno nagtumatuma yung dahon, pero nandiyan pa rin. Kung makita nyo sa ilalim nito, pag may puno kayo ng picos nana, hindi talaga siya
So ito na natapos ko na tanggalan ng dahon, pero ang ginagawa ko hindi ko lahat tinanggal kasi if tanggalin ko lahat ang mangyari is baka may mga sanga na namang mamatay. So ang ginawa ko, iniwanan ko na lang ng ibang mga dahon. So, matahon ta. So tabi natin yan, tapos ipat ito naman. Tinatawag na ako ng anak ko para mangaon namin. So, dali-dalion na lang ako ni siya. Kailangan time to time gupitan natin kasi pag hindi ito magupitan, tubo na sa loob, hindi mo mabantayan. Mangyari dyan is ang tawag nito, ma-deform yung form mo sa materials mo. Kaya tingnan mo kung anong nangyari doon. Tapos tanggalin mo yung ano. So ganito lang. So habang hindi pa ito ready, so ganito na lang paggupit. Di bali mga masugatan yung mga dahon, basta gupit kay gupit na lang. Pag ready na ito for baligya or show, kailangan dahan-dahan ka sa paggupit. So same pa rin yung design niya is triangular shape kasi yun mostly ang makita mo sa mga puno, may triangular shape. So this is just an Argao Taiwan, one of bonsai na maganda din sa beginners. So yan na. So tapos ko na gupitan. So balik ko na naman ito dito para mag-wild ulit, tapos gupit na naman ulit. Then pag malaki na itong mga sanga-sanga nito, that time na tanggalin ko na itong mga wire. Naglubo na gani ng uban. Sana lang ni. Kasi mo nito may iswera ni. There's a possibility mabali ni. Nakapataas sa akong video. Dako pa kayo ng kamot. Natanggal ko na. Sana wala nang ibang naglulubunan. Pagmuso. Ay. Maura man siguro to. So i-check ko lang ito mamaya. So for this morning, just sharing about my daily routine of my bonsai, in my bonsai garden. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.